Today, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete text messages on Telegram so that they disappear for both you and the other person, leaving absolutely no trace. Whether you sent something by mistake or you just want to tidy up your conversation history, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make messages vanish from both sides safely and confidently. Let's dive right in. First, we're focusing on the Telegram desktop app. Begin by opening the chat where the message you want to delete is sitting. Maybe it's an awkward typo, a sensitive piece of information, or just something you no longer want cluttering your chat history. Whatever the reason, the process is the same. Take a moment to scroll through your conversation if you need to. Sometimes we have to backtrack a little, especially in busy chats. Once you've found the specific message, hover your mouse over it and right-click. If you're on a laptop or device that uses touch input, look for the little three-dot menu next to the message. It serves the same purpose. It's like picking up a book off the shelf. You need to identify exactly the page you want to remove. The context menu will pop up, and from here select Delete Message. This action isn't just about getting rid of text, it's about taking control over what stays private and what gets erased forever. Now here where the magic happens. Telegram wants to make sure you're absolutely sure about what you're doing, so a prompt appears asking if you'd like to delete the message for just yourself or for both sides of the chat. Select Delete for both. Sometimes the wording might be delete for both sides. This is the crucial step that ensures the message disappears from the other person's chat as well. Take a breather here. Telegram is pretty unique in that it lets you make this choice, even after a long time has passed, which sets it apart from other messaging apps like WhatsApp or Signal that often have strict time limits. Once you've made your selection, simply confirm by clicking the delete button. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. Telegram might need a moment to sync your decision across both devices. And here's a big reassurance. When you delete a message for both sides, Telegram doesn't leave behind any message deleted notice. It's as if the message simply never existed, a clean slate. But what if you want to clear out an entire conversation, not just one message? Go to the one-on-one chat you wish to clean up and click on the contact's name or profile photo at the top of the screen. This opens up a panel with more options. Sometimes you'll see a More button or a menu. Feel free to explore around. Within these settings, look for Clear History or Clear Chat. This tool is like using a broom to sweep the whole floor instead of picking up a single dust bunny. When you select this, again, Telegram will ask if you want to clear the chat for just yourself or for both participants. Make sure to check the option to clear for the other user as well. You won't see any leftover marks or deleted chat notifications, just a refreshed space for new conversations. Finally, a quick note about group chats and channels. Usually, you can only delete your own messages for everyone, unless you're an owner or admin with extra powers. It's a little like having VIP access in a club. Not everyone gets the ability to clear out conversations for all members. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're fully equipped to delete messages on Telegram for both sides with zero trace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share any questions in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more straightforward tech-savvy how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.